You have an idea for an app, but you do not know coding. You do not know HTML properly. You do not know JavaScript properly. You do not know app development. But still, with the help of ChatGPT, you can explain your idea in simple words, get the code, copy it into one HTML file, open it in your browser, and run your own working app on your computer. This is called vibe coding. And today, I'm not just going to talk about it. I'm going to show you how we can use ChatGPT to create a useful app without any prior coding experience. Today, we will create a private creator tool that helps us generate YouTube topic ideas, keywords, titles, tags, descriptions, hashtags, thumbnail prompts, and script ideas.
And the best part in this version, we'll keep it very simple. ChatGPT will create a HTML file for us. We will download it, click on it, and the app will open. If you are a beginner, do not worry. The video is not about becoming a software developer overnight. The video is about understanding how AI can help normal people, content creators, students, teachers, business owners, and beginners create useful tools for their daily work. By the end of this video, you will understand how we can take one simple idea, explain it to ChatGPT, generate a working HTML app, download the file, and use it like a small personal application. This app can be useful for cooking creators, art creators, gardening creators, education creators, and anyone who wants to save time while planning YouTube video. If you are interested in practical AI, Excel, productivity, content creation, and useful digital tools, then subscribe to my channel. I will keep bringing simple and practical videos that beginners can actually follow. And if this topic sound useful, watch till the end because the practical part will show you how easy it is to create your own app with ChatGPT. Before we start the practical demo, let us understand the concept. Vibe coding means you explain your app idea to AI in a normal language, and AI helps you create the code or even a complete working file. You do not start by writing every line manually. You start with your idea. You tell ChatGPT what the app should do, how it should look, what button it should have, what output it should generate, and how the user should use it. Then ChatGPT creates the app for you. After that, you test the app. If something does not work, you tell ChatGPT what happened and ask it to improve or fix the file. This is why the vibe coding is very powerful for beginners. It does not mean we should blindly trust everything AI gives us. We still need to test the app, check the result, and improve it step by step. But the biggest advantage is that now a beginner can start building useful tool much faster than before. Today's content creator spend a lot of time thinking about videos ideas like what should I make next? Which topic will people search for? Which title will attract attention? Which tag should I use? What should I write in the description? What should be the thumbnail idea? And what should I say in the first few seconds of the videos? These questions are important because even a good video may not perform well if the topic, title, keywords, and thumbnails are weak. So I thought, why not create a simple private tool that helps with this process? The idea is simple. I enter a topic like a healthy lunchbox ideas or a easy chicken recipe or a balcony gardening or a fabric painting for beginner or the best AI tools. Then the app gives me video ideas, keywords, title suggestions, tags, description, hashtags, thumbnail prompt, hook, and even a script idea. This does not mean that the app will guarantee viral videos. Nobody can honestly guarantee that. But it can save time, organize idea, and help us start with better content plan. In today's version, we'll keep everything simple. We'll create the app as a pure HTML file. That means the complete app will be inside one file. The design button, input field, output section, and logic will all be inside the HTML file. We don't need complicated installation. We don't need server. We do not need database as well. We do not need advanced coding knowledge. ChatGTP will generate the HTML file for you. Then we will download that file, double click it, and it will open in the browser. Later, if you have access to any API key for the tool, you can use it privately, but never share it to anyone or never show it in your video. For today, our main goal is to understand the workflow and create a useful working prototype using ChatGPT and HTML. Now you may be thinking, why am I suddenly talking about app when I was teaching Excel? I have not decided to take a short break from Excel, but I will come back with practical Excel sessions where we will create useful sheet manually by entering the formula that we have already learned. Then we will see how AI can help us create better sheet faster. So keep this in mind. Excel is not yet finished. We are just expanding our learning. First, we learn formula, then we'll create practical sheets. And now we are entering the next level where we will use AI to create real tools and simple applications. In this video, we'll create a simple app using HTML. In the next version, we'll go one step further and use Python to create a more advanced application that can run on any PC in a more professional way. Now, let us move to the practical part. This video will give us just a test of what is possible with white coding. Today, we are not trying to build a complicated software. We are creating a simple and useful app that can help us understand how ChatGPT can turn an idea into a working file. Now, I will open an ChatGPT application and give it a detailed prompt. I will not simply say, make me an app. This is a common mistake. If we want better output, we need to explain clearly what the app should do. We need to tell the app name, the purpose, the features, the design, the style, the input field, and the output section. So my prompt will say that I want to create a private app called ViralNiche AI Studio. The app should create as one complete HTML file. It should help creator generate YouTube topic ideas, keywords, titles, tags, description, hashtag, thumbnail prompt, hooks, and script ideas. It should be clean and a modern design. It should work for different niches. For example, for this demonstration, cooking, art, gardening, AI tool, education, and general content. You should have a drop down for niche, country, and a video type. You should have an input box where I can enter a seed topic. And you should have a button called Find Viral Idea. When I click that button, the app should generate a complete content package. This is how we give a strong prompt. We do not only ask for code, we explain the complete idea. So let me explain you what all these functions that I have requested for or I have said in the prompt and was included in this app. So the first option that I asked for is a niche. What type of niche is my channel on? So for example, cooking, art, gardening, AI tool, education. Okay. So for example, let's take an education. The second part is the target audience or the target country. So here you have UAE, India, Pakistan, USA, UK, and global. For this demonstration, I'm going to take global. What type of video format is it? Is it YouTube short, long video, tutorial, product review, or educational? For the time being, I'm going to take long video. Then here is the topic. On what topic are you planning to make a video? So let's take, for example, I'm going to say how to make an app using wipe code. Okay. So I put all this information here and I will just say find for me a viral video. So here, so it did a research. It has said content package generated successfully. So here it has given you a video idea. It has given you 5 trending video ideas, right? Then it has given you the keywords. So when you're making your script, you can use these keywords in your script. It has given you also a 5 SEO optimized title. So you can choose one of them. They are all SEO optimized. It has given you an YouTube tags. It has given you an optimized description, hashtag, thumbnail prompt. Then it has given you also a script for a short video. So what you should be saying. So you can just copy paste here. Then it has given you an outline for a 5-minute long video. Okay. And also it has provided you an hook that you need to say in first 10 seconds, right? So it has given you 5 different hooks that you can use it. But again, at every step you need to try, okay? Because you need to validate what output the AI is giving you. Don't blindly trust the AI. Uh, Validate it, check, and if there is something that you need to enhance, using the prompt, you can enhance the application. So you have seen the power of vibe coding. We started with one small idea. We explained it clearly to ChatGPT. Then it created a file. You downloaded it. You open it. You tested it, and then you improve it step by step. You do not need to know everything before starting. You only need to know what problem you want to solve. Then use ChatGPT as your coding partner. Today, we created the first version using pure HTML. In next version, we'll make it more advanced using Python. Today, I only showed you a test of what is possible. In the next practical videos, we'll go much more deeper. We'll create useful Excel sheet manually using formulas. Then we will use AI to improve those sheets. After that, we'll create live, fully functional application using AI step by step in a way that any beginner can follow. So, if you want to learn how to use AI not just for chatting, but for creating real tools, real sheet, real app, and real productivity system, make sure you subscribe to this channel. Like this video if you want the complete step-by-step app building series. Comment below and tell me which app you want me to build next. Should we build a cooking planner, a garden tracker, an art project planner, a YouTube keyword tool, or an Excel automation app? Your comment will help me choose the next practical project. Thank you for watching, and remember, the future is not only about using AI. The future is about using AI to create something useful.